Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Manish, and in this video I am going to talk about C Sharp 8.0 static local functions. Local functions were introduced as a part of C Sharp 7.0. Here in C Sharp 8.0, what we are going to do, we are going to utilize static keyword with the local functions. The main use case of local function is suppose you have a method which is only being called from one function, then in those cases you can go ahead and write local function or static local function. So let's jump into the demo and see how we can use static local functions in C Sharp 8.0. I have created here a .NET Core console application, and here I am going to define one function which will calculate actual salary. First of all, I will create three variables which are hours, days, and rate, and I will assign some value to it. As you can see, I have given hour value as 9, days as 30, and rate as $9, or you can say 9. First of all, I will create total salary by multiplying hour, days, and rate. So let me multiply it over here. Now what I will do, I will just print this value in console. So I will simply use here string interpolation to concatenate and print the value. I will put it here total salary variable. Now I will return total salary from this function or method. So this is simple implementation of salary calculation. Now the next step is how we'll create deduction. So I will define here one static local function, and I will give it names, and I will give the name deductions. In this I will pass two parameters. One would be total salary, and second would be number of days off or days off. I am going to put a simple logic here in that suppose if number of days are less than 5, then the deduction will be 1% of total salary. And suppose if your days of more than 5 and less than 15, then it would be 2%. So let me put here one AND condition with day of greater than 15, sorry, less than 15, and I will change this total salary multiplication factor with 0.02. And suppose if someone taking day off greater than 15, then it would be 8% of total salary. So I will multiply total salary with 0.08, and for rest of the cases I will just return default value of double type. Now I will call deduction function and assign that value to a variable. Suppose it's days of 2. Again I will print deduction in console. To calculate total salary, I will subtract deduction value from total salary. Now I will go to main function and create an instance of program class. In next line, I will call calculates total salary or calculate actual salary to print the value of actual salary. I will call it obj dot function name. Now I will build a code to see the output. So you can see here total salary is 2430 and deductions is 0.1%. Let me change this value to 10, so it will be 0.2%. So you can see it in the output. So it's a 2% deduction, and in previous one it was 1% deduction. So this is how we can implement static local functions. If you have liked my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.